Hello people, today we are going to learn about the last process of the executing process group, which is direct and manage project work. So let's see. Direct and manage project work is the process of leading and performing the work defined in the project management plan and implementing approved changes to achieve the project objectives. The key benefit of this process is that it provides overall management of the project work. The inputs involved are project management plan, approved change request, enterprise environmental factors, organizational process asset. The tools and techniques are expert judgment, project management information system, meetings, and outputs are deliverables, work performance data, change request, project management plan updates, and project document updates. Direct and managed project work activities include perform activities to accomplish project objectives, create project deliverables to meet the planned project work, provide, train, and manage the team members assigned to the project, obtain, manage, and use resources including material, tools, equipment, and facilities, implement the plan methods and standards, establish the managed project communication channel, both external and internal to the project team, generate work performance data such as cost, schedule, technical, and quality progress and status to facilitate forecasting, issue change request and implement approved changes into the project scope, plan, and environment, manage risks and implement risk response activities, manage sellers and suppliers, manage stakeholders and their engagement, and collect and document lesson learned and implement approved process improvement activities. The inputs involved are the first input is project management plan. It contains subsidiary plans concerning all aspects of the project, and those subsidiary plans related to the project work include scope management plan, requirement management plan, schedule management plan, cost management plan, and stakeholder management plan. The next input is approved change request. Approved change requests are an output of the perform integrate change control process and include those requests reviewed and approved for implementation by Change Control Board or CCB. The approved change request may be corrective action, a preventive action, or a defect repair. Approved change requests are scheduled and implemented by the project team and can impact any area of the project or project management plan. The approved change request can also modify the policies, project management plan, procedures, costs, or budget or revise the schedules. Approved change request may require implementation of the preventive or corrective actions. The next input is an enterprise environmental factor. The direct and managed project work process is influenced by enterprise environmental factors that include organization, company, or customer culture and structure of the performing or sponsor organizations. Infrastructure, example existing facilities and capital equipment. Personal administration, example hiring and firing guidelines, employee performance review and training records. Stakeholder risk tolerance, for example allowable cost overrun percentage, and project management information system, example automated tool suites such as scheduling software tool, a configuration management system, an information collection and distribution system, or web interfaces to other online automated systems. Last input is the organizational process asset, and they include standard guidelines and work instructions, communication requirement defining allowed communication media, record retention and security requirements, issue and defect management procedures defining issue and defect controls, issue and defect identification and resolution, and action item tracking. Process measurement database used to collect and make available measurement data on processes and products. Project files from previous project, example scope, cost, schedule, performance measurement, baseline, project calendars, project schedule, network diagram, risk register, plan response, actions, defined risk impact, and documented lesson learned, and issue and defect management database containing historical issues. Let's learn about tool and technique. The first technique is expert judgment and is used to assess inputs needed to direct and manage execution of the project management plan. Such judgment and expertise are applied to all technical and management detail during this process. This expertise is provided by the project manager and the project management team using specialized knowledge or training. Additional expertise is available from many sources, including other units within the organization, consultants, and other subject matter experts, internal and external, stakeholders, including customers, suppliers, or sponsors, and professional and technical associations. The next technique is project management information system, which is a part of environmental factors provides access to tools such as scheduling tool, a work authorization system, a configuration management system, an information collection and distribution system, or interfaces to other online automated system. Automated gathering and reporting on key performance indicator, which is also known as KPI, can be part of this system. The next technique is meeting. Meetings are used to discuss and address pertinent topics of the project when directing and managing project work. Attendees at the meetings may include the project manager, project team, appropriate stakeholder involved or affected by the topics addressed. Each attendee should have defined role to ensure appropriate participation. Meetings tend to be one of the three types: information exchange, brainstorming option, evaluation, or design and decision making. Let's learn about the output. The first output is deliverable. A deliverable is any unique or verifiable product, result, or capability to perform a service that is required to be produced to complete a process, phase, or project. Deliverables are typically tangible components completed to meet the project objectives and can include elements of the project management plan. The next output is work performance data. Work performance data are the raw observations and measurements identified during the activities being performed to carry out the project work. Data are often viewed as the lowest level of detail from which information is derived by other processes. Data is gathered through work execution and passed to the controlling processes of each process area for further analysis. Example of work performance data include work completed, key performance indicators, technical performance measures, start and finish dates of scheduled activities, number of change requests, number of defects, annual costs, and actual durations, etc. The next output is change request. A change request is a formal proposal to modify any document, deliverable, or baseline. An approved change request will replace the associated document, deliverable, or baseline and may result in an update to other parts of the project management plan. When issues are found while the project work is being performed, change requests are submitted, which may modify project policies or procedures. Project scope and project cost or budget, project schedule or project quality. Other change requests cover the needed preventive or corrective action to forestall negative impact later in the project. Request for change can be direct or indirect, externally or internally initiated, can be optional or legally contractually mandated, and may include the first thing is corrective action, an intentional activity that realigns the performance of the project work with the project management plan. The next action is preventive action, an intentional activity that ensures the future performance of the project work is aligned with the project management plan. The next action is defect repair, an intentional activity to modify a non-conforming product or product components. And next thing is updates, changes to formally controlled project document, plans, etc. to reflect modified or additional ideas or content. So next thing is a DIKW model in project management. DIKW stands for Data, Info, Knowledge and Wisdom. Here work performance data is the data from the executing process, which is the raw data. Then after this one process, the output is work performance information. From this is from 9 controlling processes. Example, integrated information. Under example could be the status of the project. The next thing is the output is work performance report. And this is from the monitoring and controlling project work compiled for decision making. Example, earned value management reports, burn up or burn down charts. And the this work performance report is submitted to integrated change control, which is also known as ICC, which approves or rejects the change request, uses lesson learned and rational wisdom. The next output is project management plan update and project document updates. Under the following plans are updated: scope management plan, requirement management plan, schedule management plan, cost management plan, quality, process improvements, human resource, communication, risk, procurement, stakeholder management plan, and project baselines. And project documents that may be updated are requirement document, project logs, which contains issues and assumption, risk register, and stakeholder register. So guys, I hope you got some idea on how to complete the direct and manage project work process. So this was the last process under the executing process group. Next we are going to start with the monitoring and controlling process groups. So come back to my channel or subscribe to my channel for more videos on PMP and other things. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.